Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop the Grill. We're doing a really cool one today, and this has been a requested video a couple of times. We're doing a Minnesota favorite, the Juicy Lucy. Check these burgers out. Alright, so Juicy Lucy, we're going to start out with 2 pounds of ground beef. And we're going to do them Coop the Grill style. So we're going to season them with some honey and brown sugar, barbecue sauce, a little bit of mustard, some Famous Dave steak and burger, and a little bit of the Boar's Night Out White Lightning double garlic butter. We're going to get that all mixed up, make small patties, and I'll show you how to assemble them in just a minute. So we've got our burger mixed together, and we're just pulling this out about 1/4 cup. About the same amount that you would make a smash burger with. And we're not making quite a smash burger yet, but we're going to patty these things up just kind of like that for now. And you want to make sure you have an even number because you're going to be putting these together in a minute. And they're not exactly perfect, and that's just fine. I got 10 little patties here, so that's going to make 5 burgers. So we've got about a half a slice of Swiss and a half a slice of Colby Jack that we're going to put in the middle of these. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take one of them, just flatten it out pretty flat. Make sure it's sealed. Grab one of our sets of cheese. Put that right in the middle. Take another one and put it over top. Look at that. And then I like to wrap my thumb around it and just kind of squeeze it and keep rotating it, and then flip it over and do the same thing backwards. And that's going to really seal that burger up and keep that cheese right in there. Look at that. Perfect burger patty. We're going to make 5 of these total. If you guys are familiar with your smash burgers and stuff, you want to make sure that you're putting those on the grill. Very last thing. These are not smash burgers, so we're going to put the burgers and the buns on at the same time.
Really?
Yes, we are, because it's going to take a minute for these things to cook, and it's going to take a minute for those to cook, and hopefully everything kind of comes out together. We're going to butter our buns today with a butter cutter. Ha!
Wow. Are you going to tell them what's up or no?
Or we're just going to put some burgers down on the griddle. As advertised? I don't know. And then we're going to do the butter. Actually, I got to turn this down. We wanted a medium, but it's a little bit high. Ooh, that's almost over.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, I see how you're doing the buns. Fancy.
Ooh, perfect.
Look at that. Wow, that is a higher heat, huh?
Yeah, right? Ooh, yeah.
Ooh, I'll take the dark one.
And the cheese is just in there getting nice and gooey. Oh, yeah. I think our burgers have outgrown our buns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's not hard here.
Yeah, that's a fact right there. Well, the outsides of the burger were pretty much done, and the inside was almost there. So I just took the dome out. We're just going to put that on there for the last 30 seconds or so, and that's going to make sure all the rest of that cooks right inside. Look at that.
Look at that. Ooh, that looks good to me. That one's, yeah. I like that you always make a dark one for me.
Couple of them.
Oh, boy.
Okay. That is the last of that, and we're going to throw another piece of cheese on here.
Heck yeah.
Because, this is a Minnesota favorite, but this is made in Wisconsin, so.
You need extra cheese.
Yeah. Little squirt of water. Throw them over that. Another 30 seconds. Pull these things off. They're going to be perfect. Ready for this?
Mm-hmm. I'm excited.
So you don't cut these open, but we're going to cut it open to show you.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Oh. That is perfect. Mm. 2 smash burgers with cheese smashed between them, man. That's really good. If you guys haven't tried a Juicy Lucy, that's how you do it. I hope yours turn out just as good as ours. Mm. Do not forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment. Helps grow our channel. And if you want to see more stuff like this with us, go check them out. She puts them over here. We're going to eat this. You go check that out.